Hey Biscuits! Welcome back. So today I'm going to do a 5-minute power clean with diaper wipes. So I'm going to spot clean around places that need to be dusted in the RV. And I'm going to see how much I can get done. You guys ready to follow along? Let's do this. Okay, we're going to do our 5-minute power clean. I might try to do a 10-minute power clean, but I think we're going to try to stick it with 5 minutes. We're going to start here. See these little vanity areas? It's somewhere that rarely gets cleaned. That includes the top. Oh, hey, you can see me in the mirror. Hello, YouTube. How are you doing today? Are you dusting? Let's clean up. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it's so satisfying. We're going to do down by this sink that doesn't get used very heavily because it's so small. I'm just going to give it a little scrub. I won't do the inside of the sink yet. Down below, see that dust? Look at that. That dust is just accumulating, saying, breathe me in and annoy your asthma. Boom. Oh, it's so satisfying to get that clean. Okay, that's a little horrifying right there. Might want to be edited out for sheer terror, I think. Ah, he got me. Stop any electronics. Not the screen. The timer just went off like 4 minutes ago. So it should be done.
4 minutes ago.
But you guys sounded busy, so I didn't want to interrupt. Laundry. Always laundry. Okay, we're going to do the top of this little hood mount. Oh yeah. See what 5-minute power clean can do? Oh, boom diggity. Really, like these are, you know, this is what happens when I haven't been RVing in quite a while. The RV becomes very messy. Yeah. And again, you don't do this every day, right? But when you're getting into the RV for the first time in the season, you're picking up all this gunk that needs to be loved up and cleaned ever so much. Ooh, yeah. Otherwise, you're breathing it in. Mom. Yes, my love. Oh, hey, look. There's a monkey. Do you guys see that monkey? I didn't know there was a monkey. Do you have pet monkeys in your RV?
Me, Abraham.
Oh. I thought it was a monkey. It's not. It's my son Abraham.
Help me get down here.
Oh, well, don't get up to places you can't get down from.
Get me down from
Okay, I'll come down. So the tops of our little food cupboards here, you just go right along with your diaper wipe. And these are great, right? These are disposable, so you aren't storing a lot in your RV. At home I like to use renewable kind of things.
Give me that dirty that wipe.
Oh, do you want a tidy too?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Abraham's going to tidy a little bit. He's going to do some dusting up in the crow's nest. Good job, dust all around. I'm so proud of him. He's such a good cleaning boy. He is. He's my little helper. I love you, kid. Good job. Scrub all that stuff. I'm going to grab another one too. I love getting my monkey involved with cleaning because he's learned to like appreciate cleaning and enjoy it and see it as the fun game. I'm going to do the very top molding here on the slide out that I've tried to make it be, you know. Cleaning doesn't have to be miserable. It's part of why I make these kind of inspo tip pack field videos.
Dirty that wipe. I picked up all the gunk.
Good job, my love. Because cleaning can be fun. It can be
wipe.
a fun part of your day that is necessary. Good job.
Hand me another dirty that wipe.
You need another diaper wipe?
Yes.
Okay.
Clean that wipe.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we're using a bit more diaper wipes than I would like, but you know what? This is in the effort of learning. And so I respect that sometimes that takes a little double doing. There you go. Good job. Okay. Then when I've been out of the RV for a while, what I always find is this area. It just gets so dirty.
Mom.
Yes, my love. And then driver's seat area. In here. The long edges here are going to get dirty. They're going to get mud splash back from when you're outside. And then up here never hurts. Oh, thank you, love. You are doing wonderful detail work, my darling. And I'll just do the same for over here. Just a quick power tidy.
You do the dad wipe. I pick up gun.
Thank you, love. Let me come get you down.
Dad wipe.
I think that's probably everything we need to do.
No, do that here.
Alrighty, so we did our 5 minutes. We did our 5-minute power dusting in the RV with just diaper wipes. You don't need anything else, just a few wipes. You could have done this with like 3 wipes, but we're learning and it's good to get inspired. Until the next video, I will see you all over my other YouTube channel. And I love it when you click on over to my Zazzle shop, zazzle.com/thewholesomefeed, and I link it down below in the description box to all my t-shirts and mugs that I design. It's a wonderful way to support the channel, to have fun stuff in your house that is playful and beautifully designed and fun to have around, you know? That's great. I love homeware goodies that make your life a little bit more joyful. You can also click on over to all of my romance novels that I write. They're available wherever books are sold, and you can click right over to my Amazon author page. I link it down below. Between my next video and now, I'll also see you all over Instagram, because I'm posting all sorts of fun photos on there from our trip. Hey, see you all around. And thank you so much for subscribing, being a part of our little channel on here, and getting inspired to tidy and clean. Hey, wherever we are, right? It's still fun. I'll see y'all over.